Medicines, an annoyance for some but a life-giving necessity for those who live with chronic illness and disability. Unfortunately, keeping track of all those meds and scripts you need is like trying to organize a performance of Cats except using real cats. Yeah, it's a rum-tum tragedy. Anyway, it's a full-time job in and of itself, and it starts with getting the scripts and refills you need. Of course, they can only come from one place: the doctor's office, which used to be a fairly easy transaction. You visit them and they hand you a piece of paper. That's it. You get it on the way out. End of story. Done. Prescription gotten. Now, though, all scripts are electronic, and the internet makes everything easier, don't you know? So getting your doctor to send a script now requires use of the portal, which you all know my feelings about already. We've added several unnecessary steps to a process that was pretty much simple. See doctor, get script, go to pharmacy to fill. Pretty easy, right? Now, though, we have to rely on the same system that can't filter out the reverse mortgage email spam no matter how many times you hit unsubscribe to provide you with the life-sustaining medicine you need. Yeah. You see how that might be an issue? As if that's not enough to worry about, there's also medical insurance and their slavish devotion to the refill date. Yeah, God forbid you lose a pill or have to go on vacation, like a human being. Just try getting your insurance to pay for a refill early. It's easier to get a free upgrade to first class on Delta than it is to get your insurance company to pay for your pills early. Of course, you can pay for them out of pocket, but not many of us have a spare $4,000 lying around between the seats of our Lamborghinis. Once you actually get the script, there's always the looming cloud of refill on the horizon. Some of your meds you can refill every 2 months. Some of them you can refill every 3 months. And some of them you can refill only every 30 days. Or in other words, no refills allowed. The only way to correctly predict is to use your high school algebra. Finally, that time in high school when they told you about when math would save your life is here. Solve for X or die. Yeah. Now, as if that wasn't fun enough, it gets even weirder because each state has their own laws when it comes to filling and prescribing medication. In New York, for instance, you have to go and visit your pain specialist once a month if you want them to refill your pain meds. The people who should be moving the least are the ones who have to do it the most. No other illnesses require a doctor's visit every 30 unless you are a prisoner. But then again, that's what you are when you're chronically ill, a prisoner held hostage by your medicines. As always, folks, be kind, rewind, and keep on keeping on.